Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into an essential upgrade for anyone relying on zebra symbol barcode scanners. The MC9090 MC9190 standard keypad keyboard replacement. This isn't just any replacement. It's designed to breathe new life into your MC9090G, MC9190G, MC9190K, MC9200G, or MC9290 devices. Before making a purchase, it's always wise to double-check your specific model, but for these listed, the compatibility is described as absolutely perfect, ensuring a seamless fit and function. One of the first things that stands out about this 53-key standard keyboard is its incredibly light weight, coming in at just 64 grams. This means there's no added bulk or burden to your handheld scanner, which is crucial for devices used constantly throughout the day. The installation process is remarkably straightforward, described as plug and play. This feature alone can save valuable time and significantly boost work efficiency, offering a much easier experience for anyone needing to replace a worn-out or damaged keypad. When it comes to performance, a key aspect for any input device is its responsiveness. This replacement keyboard boasts a circuit board crafted from high-grade materials, which translates into a quick and accurate response with every touch. Users can be confident that their inputs are transmitted precisely, minimizing errors and speeding up tasks. Beyond its internal workings, the keypad's outer shell is constructed from hard plastic. This robust material provides strong protection, helping to reduce damage from accidental drops and ultimately extending the keyboard's overall service life, a vital consideration in demanding work environments. The keys themselves are crafted from high-quality rubber, offering a tactile experience that is both soft and elastic. This design choice contributes to a comfortable and surprisingly quiet typing experience, which can be a welcome relief during long shifts. The keyboard cover is also thoughtfully designed to stabilize each button, ensuring clarity in key function descriptions and preventing wear over time. This wear-resistant quality means the keyboard remains secure and long-lasting, maintaining its functionality and appearance even with heavy use. Finally, the manufacturer stands behind their product with a commitment to customer satisfaction. They conduct 100% quality testing and ensure perfect packaging before delivery. Should any questions arise, their 24-hour service and professional support promise a satisfactory solution within a day. This level of dedication provides an extra layer of confidence for anyone considering this essential replacement part for their zebra symbol mobile computer.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.